Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the tank capacity of your boat on the NavShit application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second option, the My Boat. In the boat section you can find the tank capacity button and just drag it the circle and drag it to the number that suits you. And if you don't, just click to the OK. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.